Watch this. It never fails.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why so serious? Why so serious? What's going on, Serious Nation? Serious Nation. It's your guy, Serious Mindset, and we are back with another video. And then we have a special guest.
Hi.
That's it? Just hi? Just hi?
My name is Ariel.
No, my God. Now she sounds like a robot. But nevertheless, guys, yes, I have my beautiful princess riding with me. We are on a, we're going to be, you can see the title in the thumbnail. You can see, as you see in the title in the thumbnail, we are doing a windshield repair. So I have never done the windshield and repair joints on the side of the roads. Like you see them and you're like, oh man, those places or those little tents or whatnot. So I'm gonna go to one of those pop-up places because I do have a rock chip in the windshield from an 18-wheeler. I remember I heard it, and when I heard it, you really can't see it. So I'm gonna show you guys as well. So hold on, give me a second, guys. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys when we get to the location, because you really can't see it in the car. But it's been bothering me. Like I have a big OCD order when it comes to like this wide body, I guess, because I'm just trying to work it to pretty much like a show car. So I want to make sure I take care of it because I have a little bit of free time to actually take care of it. So I want to deal with it now rather than later. So we're gonna go to this place on the side of the road, and we're gonna see what they're talking about or whatnot. Oh, Princess, what do you think about the tire stickers?
What tire stickers?
Really? You didn't see the tires? Oh my God! You pay attention to everything else, but you didn't see the car that you was getting into. Really?
The one with the white so serious and everything?
Yeah. What do you think about it? Oh my God!
It's cool.
Oh my God! What makes it cool?
I actually never seen anything like that before.
Really? You don't say.
You're weird.
Oh, now I'm weird. Now I'm weird, but you're weird. Really? But anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be on our way. I'm gonna go ahead and push a little bit on the wide body. As you know, we got the tire stickers on this joint, so we rolling. Everybody's watching. So
Why did you have to do that?
what did I do? What did I do? Tell me what I done.
I actually hate when you do that because it literally pulls me back to the seat.
Oh my God, you didn't hit your head. What are you talking about? But anyway, guys, let me go ahead and drive. We got somebody that's being dramatic, but nevertheless, stay serious. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, make sure you hit that notification bell. I forgot about that. We forgot about that. So what they got to do? I'm gonna let you tell them what they got to do.
Subscribe. Put a fire emoji inside the comment below.
Right after.
You subscribe and click the bell and like or something.
Oh my God. But anyway, let me go ahead and help her out. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit that like button. Last but not least, make sure you drop a fire emoji right after Why So Serious. I greatly appreciate it. And however you spell the because you got to put the right after Why So Serious. A-R-G, E-R-G, how you want to do it. E-R. But at the end of the day, stay tuned. We're going to go to this place. And I got my mask back there, right? I got it. All right, so let me look for my mask because I'm going to be the one that's getting out the car talking to these people. So stay tuned, guys. All right. All right, chicken nugget. Where did you get the name chicken nugget from? Why did I call you? Why do I call you Chicken Nugget?
Because I like chicken nuggets.
Why you sound like you don't know? Oh my God. So you don't know now?
No.
So how you say you want to start a vlog and you act like you don't know what's going on?
Well, my vlog? No.
Oh, you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know what's going on. Can I make a left right here? I think I can. Oh my God. But anyway, so the place, turn off this ticker because this ticker is ticking too fast. So the place, unfortunately, is you know, one of those little tent places. It kind of like hit and miss. I don't know if they go to like different locations every other day, but the guy wasn't there this time. I do have the card because they can do mobile, but nevertheless, I figure, because I've been putting this out for a while, and I said I was gonna do this because you know, I've just been busy and other things just been going on. So I figure it's no perfect time since it's on my mind to, guess what you think? Guess what you think we about to do?
To go to the store.
Oh my God! Oh, look at those traps! Look at those traps! Watch the stairs! Now we're gonna get some frozen yogurt.
Ooh, yay!
That's it? That's it?
I'll say thank you.
That's all you got? Ooh, yay! That's it.
Thank you.
Oh boy.
At least I'm grateful.
Oh really? Are you grateful because I tell you to say you grateful, or to?
No, you never told me that.
Oh, so I don't tell you to say your grace? Really?
Oh yeah, you do, but.
Oh boy. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I surprise my princess. We're gonna go ahead and do some yogurt. Now the thing is, you don't have your mask, do you?
Nope.
So
I was gonna go get it.
I was gonna go get it.
But you just randomly told me to get in the car, so I got in the car.
Alright guys, so I think I got an extra mask, so we're gonna go get some yogurt, guys. So just stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the sub button. After that, I don't know, I probably might end up doing a maybe a install. Might do an install in this video, depends on how I feel. But nevertheless, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Are they closed?
Yeah, they're open.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and park, and then we're gonna continue on with the video, guys. Stay tuned. I'm about to drop the car down, right? And you see these guys looking? So they looking, right? Hold on. Watch this. It never fails. It never fails. When you drop it down, you always get the head turners, man. That sound, man. But that's a Qdoba. Mommy like Qdoba.
It's Qdoba.
All right, let me get some QT time with the princess. Let's see. We gotta find your mask.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's so serious?